Alright, let's replace the spark plugs on this Equinox, shall we? This is a 2019. It's going to be extremely similar for any year with this little 1.5 turbo here, including other vehicles that have this kind of engine. So you're going to need to take this cover off here, and if I can find these plugs, I will link them in the description. This is AC Delco. This is the original spark plug that came with from the factory. So to take this cover off, you're going to need to loosen this one bolt. For me, that was a T27, a little star bit or whatever. Pop that out. You're going to need to take your oil fill cap off here. And this will come up. My foam's getting left behind here, so just pop that up as well. And then there's your 4 coil packs. Spark plugs are obviously going to be down in there. Should be a 10mm head on all of those. Unbolt each one of those, and then you kind of pull and wiggle up, pop them out. Like so. For this guy here, you're going to want to push this, spin this, kind of up out of your way there if you have to. You can just pop this out of the bracket there too to get it out of your way. Okay, and then there's your spark plugs. They're at an angle. Okay, that was a 15mm for me to get those all the way loosened up. Unless you're using a spark plug socket, which is going to grab onto these for you, you're going to want a magnet to pull them out like that. Again, these are pre-gapped, but you can always double check if you want. These are pretty shallow tubes, so I'm not worried about dropping them in there. Just get them as low as you can down in there, holding your finger on it, and then just let it slide down the rest of the way. It's only going to drop about 1 inch. It'll be just fine. Okay, and then what I like to do to make sure I don't cross-thread them, push down with a small amount of force and turn them backwards until you hear them click. You hear that? And then you'll be able to go forward and ensure that your threads are not cross-threaded. That little click is the threads lining up. Okay, then your torque spec on those is 15 foot-pounds of torque, which is just lightly snug. About like that, and that's it. Okay, and putting these coil packs back on, they have this weird little angle to them. You just kind of angle it in there like so. Make sure you clear this wire. Push down, wiggle, and it should just be barely floating over top of where your bolt's going to tighten down there, and then you'll know that means it's down all the way. Okay, and then these are very lightly snugged. Your torque spec on those are only 7 foot-pounds of torque, so about half of the spark plugs. Throw your foam cover back on. Don't forget your oil cap last, and you're done. This video helped you out. Be sure to leave me a like. I appreciate it. If you're looking for plugs, I should have something linked in the description. Hopefully these ones. If not, I'll give you the next best thing, maybe a couple different options of what I would use. But thanks for stopping by, checking this one out today. I really appreciate it, and I hope to catch you on the next one.